Hi. Okay, so this is for the introduction. Okay, so basically we do and this is about engine Modenas Excite 135. Okay, so the part that we take for the engine is crankshaft, flywheel, spark plug, piston, connecting rod, camshaft, valve, and also cylinder block. Okay, so first of all for the crankshaft. Okay, so this is the crankshaft. The function of the crankshaft is to convert the reciprocating movement of the piston into a rotation, okay, and then to be transferred to the flywheel and then the transmission. Okay, so crankshaft is the most important part in the engine because if there are no crankshaft, the engine will not be run and then transmit power. Okay, so as you can see in the slide, this is the part of the design of the crankshaft. Okay, so next, okay, the improvement. Okay, the improvement of the crankshaft. Okay, the improvement is we can add double bearing. Okay, so if we can add double bearing, it will hold the crankshaft from vibrating more. Second, we can add counterweight. Counterweight, as you can see in the slide, counterweight basically we add to balance the effect of inertia between heavy piston and also the connecting rod. Okay, so if we have the counterbalance, the crankshaft will not vibrating more and then it will prevent the crankshaft from damage. Next is the flywheel, as you can see in the slide. Okay, flywheel is a rotating device that store energy. So energy from the engine will be stored in the flywheel and then the flywheel at a certain time will release the energy. So the energy will not keep in the engine that can damage the part of the engine. Yeah, I think that's all.
Okay, so for my part, I do the cylinder block. So basically, cylinder block is of course cylinder and is structurally integrated with a lot of other things, compromising for example, the valve, the passage and port for the valve, and coolant passage. So we do a little bit of improvement to the cylinder block. So basically we just increase the displacement value for the block. We make the bore bigger, I mean the diameter of the cylinder, and thus it will increase the mixture of air and fuel intake into the engine, so it will make the engine more powerful. And so the next part is the valve. So basically, valve is just as usual valve. It permits the intake of air and fuel into the combustion chamber, and it also functions as the seal for the compression inside the combustion chamber. So it will not, the mixture of the air and fuel will not go out from the combustion chamber.
Okay, for a piston, my part I do a piston and spark plug. Basically, a piston is a cylinder engine component that slides back and forth in the cylinder board by a force produced during the combustion process. Basically, we have parts of a cylinder such as oil ring, wrist pin, snap ring, top compression ring, and second compression ring. So, and for the spark plug, basically, as you can see at the screen of the computers, spark plug is a device for delivering electric current from the end ignition system to the combustion chamber, a spark ignition engine to ignite the compressor fuel. So this is a spark plug. And moving point to the second point, the improvement of the piston. So basically, I improve the displacement of the piston. Based on the research, the more displacement, the more power, because burn more gas during each revolution of the engine. Second, increase head of piston that elliptical or shaped like oval become more circular when heat is applied. This allows for improved sealing when the cylinder meets the combustion chamber for greater efficiency. And the last point is the increase the compression ratio. So when we increase the compression ratio, higher compression ratio produce more power. I think that's all.
And today I'm going to present about the other two components of the engine, which are the camshaft and the connector rod. So starting with the camshaft, as you can see here, I made a design by using CATIA. So basically, what is the camshaft? The camshaft is this upper part that you can see here, which is connecting with the valve and helps it to move up and down towards the piston that is also moving up and down. So I made a suggestion by changing the position sensor, which will help you to start the engine faster. So second part is the connecting rod, as you can see here, also made by Katia. So basically, the connecting rod is the yellow part here, which is connected with which connects the piston with the crankshaft. So my suggestion also was to change the material of it from steel to aluminum to give it like a lighter weight.